I catch it. Okay, so it was like the biggest thunder. I wasn't even planning to record. So guess what, guys? Okay, so it was a nice quiet day, and then it started raining, and it cracked out the loudest thunder you could ever hear. It was so fun. It was like, that's exactly how loud it was, even louder. It shook the house. It scared me half to death. And my daddy is still at work. And guess what I've been doing on this clear lock? Wait till I said clear lock. Because it started raining like 20 minutes ago. And it was clear before that. I've made a Roblox game. And I've made my own web server. Let me show you that. And I'm not going to show you the IP address. It's associated with vids. And then this is a vid that I haven't uploaded. Hi guys. Today we are on BlueStacks. Yeah, I haven't uploaded it, and I don't plan to upload it. Because actually I plan to upload it, but my computer is slow enough to won't let me upload it. Oh no, little Leafy. Amplifies. Now it's really bright. No, it's really dark. Wait, let me make it really dark for real. Really dark. Like low-key, this is like horrible that it's raining so hard. You know what? I should leave my security camera just kind of recording for a long time. Actually, I should just leave my iPhone recording live, but I probably won't do that because I'm kind of embarrassed if I do a live video because I've never done a live video, and the live video I make, I don't want it to be rain. And I'll probably be in the live section, and I'll get so many viewers, and I'll just be scared and paranoid because I just don't want to do a live video. I'm just the person who doesn't want to do that. But yo, stick the iPhone out. It's like raining really hard. When I say it's raining really hard in every video, when I say very hard rain, this is the biggest rain because the thundering, that huge thunder didn't even knock out the power. But there was one thunderstorm that did knock out the power. I have it sitting on my SD card, probably never to be seen again. I probably formatted it. Who knows? Actually, it's in my 4K camera, not in my Canon camera. Let me show you my 4K camera. Oh, and if you live in Pikeville, make sure that you comment or send me something on my website. My website link is actually bit.ly/mywebsite525. Reply to like my newest thing. I'm looking for my camera. It's obviously not going to be in there though. Actually, it is going to be in there, obviously. Yeah, it keeps in this little bag. I'll show you everything. Battery charger, battery. Nothing else in here. I'll put this back. Safekeeping. Because Nanny would have to put it back if I didn't. charging cable so you can hook up the camera itself, or just hook up the charging camera or the charging thing that I showed you. Now, my camera didn't come in. This is actually meant for tablets. My camera is a tablet. It doesn't even look like a tablet. Here's the remote that appeared in 2 of my videos so far. Here's the microphone. Wait, it doesn't have its thing on yet. Here's its thing. Let me put the thing on. Okay, this is what its microphone looks like. And this is what my camera came in. This is my camera. It's probably full, or 2 bars. Welcome. Welcome. Wait a second. Look how far it zooms in. Is that thunder? Or is it Poppy? That's definitely Poppy. Yep, that's Poppy. Who is it? Okay, so here's the remote. Okay, we're going to click the night vision button. And then the other thing just turns on, this little flashlight here. Yeah, but I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Actually, wait, let me show you with the microphone on top of it, because it looks kind of cute that way. You actually go screw this. Let me screw it almost all the way. It has a lot of dumb stuffs on it. It has like dumb stuffs, tons of dumb stuffs that you can put on it. Oh, and I gotta connect the microphone. This is my camera in all of its glory. Microphone even is on. Ooh, it's losing its battery. Now let me show you something. Oops.
Now they're acting like that you're my dependent. Oh, Lordy. You're going to have to call them, John, and tell them.
Hi.